I spent 15 years as an aircraft mechanic. Then I transitioned over to a maintenance mechanic, which brought me here to Sage. The challenging part that keeps me here at Sage is the unique equipment that we have. And when you come to work, there's something different every day. Nothing is the same. You can have one machine that runs all year with no problems, and the machine right next door, it has a problem every day. But as a maintenance department, we are geared with the knowledge, help, tools, and with the parts to maintain the equipment. I actually left for a couple of months. I took a position elsewhere, and I miss the uniqueness of the company. I miss the camaraderie, I miss the inclusiveness, the diversity, I miss the challenge. And coming back, the senior leadership team, open arms. All of those things I missed and I didn't have at other companies, and that is what brought me back, and I'm so happy that I came back and they allowed me to come back.